Good morning, friends. My name is Sachin Dattatri Katkar. Today's topic is conditional statement, and today date is 18 November 2021. Conditional statement consists of a condition and task when condition is true. The application free from the task. The condition the condition portion of a condition statement also called as expression. As the Java is high level object oriented programming language which allows to check the condition of statement is true and false. Such statement is called conditional. They are from composite statement. In Java, two forms of the conditional statements. First, if else statement. Second is switch statement. If else statements, there are there are various types of the if else statements. First is if else statement. The Java if else statement also tests the condition. Second is if else if statement. If else statement also tests the check the condition. And third one is if else if statement. If else is ladder statement. The if else if ladder statement execute one condition from the multiple statement. Second one is switch condition. Switch condition switch statement in Java. They execute one statement from the multiple condition. It like it like if else ladder statement. The test value equality of the variables against the multiple values. The conditional statement is most important most important in the Java language, as the Java is high level object oriented programming language which allows to check the condition and statement condition true or false. The Java is mainly two type of the conditional statement. First one is if else statement and second one is switch statements. Thank you.